How do you turn on the isolation mode on the iPhone? Let me show you what options we have available. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, at first, you can open up your settings and go to the privacy and security section within the settings page right here. And there are plenty of different things which you could technically do in here, right? But there are some options at the bottom, and one of them is the lockdown mode. And this is like an extreme protection, and it's like a measure which makes or enables the like isolation mode in that sense. You can see a little description there. So the apps and websites will be limited, or some things may be completely unavailable. So it depends on why you're doing this, but this is like the isolation mode that you could have in mind, right? So if you are thinking about this is where you can find the lockdown mode, right? But on the other hand, if you want just a quick or temporary isolation mode, you can go to the control center and tap on the focus modes and enable, for example, the do not disturb or personal work, whatever. And these types of focus modes will limit some notifications, some other things regarding that as well, and you'll be able to filter out like which people can get in touch with you, and all of those things can be set up in the settings, but that is another way of looking at the isolation mode. So let me know if that is the thing which you had in mind. I just quickly wanted to show you where you can find it, so let me know if it helped you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe for more quick tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.